It's a little video of replacing your low beams on a 2011 Acura TSX. I think it's the same from 09 to 14. But yeah, you remove the bumper. Once you remove the bumper, you take off the headlights. I've seen people do it with the headlights on. Just remove the cover back here, and then you can get to the bulb. I was able to take out the bulb, but I couldn't put the new one in. So I gave up and I removed the bumper, removed the headlight. It has 3 bolts, I want to say. One right here. I think it's right there. One bolt right there. One at the bottom, and then one on the side right here. So how it works, you remove the dust cover. You remove this, you twist it counterclockwise. And then you remove this. Just be very careful because it has this little ribbon. And it has a little plastic piece over there. You don't want to break this. And then to remove the bulb itself, it has these 2 metal prongs that you have to undo. So you push down and then away, and then down and away. And once they're out, you pull these back. So they're hooked right there. They're hinged, so it's not gonna fall out of place. Once that's out of the way, you just pull the bulb itself out. I already put the new one in. Something that I didn't notice, and I would not have noticed if I had done it like with the headlight on, you can't see back there, so it's hard for you to see how you're putting in the bulb. So it is easier for you to take off the bumper and then take off the headlight. Once you do that, you can see that it has notches where it's supposed to sit at. Sorry about my fucking neighbor's music. So you sit the bulb there. Once it's seated properly, swing this back around, and then hook it on, hook it back on, and that's it. You put this and just clockwise. Once you hear that click, you're done. Again, same thing on this side. I already put it in the new bulb. The new one is in there. Metal prongs, push them out, just to get them out of that notch right there. So push it down and away, and this one too, down and away. Swing them up, take the old bulb out, and then put the new one in. Just make sure that you seat it in right with the notches. That little round notch and then this squared one. Once you do that, just put this back.